microphone 1 2 3. Eh? Testing microphone 1 2 3.
Testing the mic 1 2 3.
Hi guys doing? So I'm back home and I just took a bit of rest. And guess what? I have a new microphone. So I got this wireless microphone at Computer Village. Guys, I'm supposed to have a Wimbies event today. Attend a Wimbies event today. Not have, like attend. And I thought it was next week. Gosh, I mixed up. A funny thing is, I was in Ikeja. Like, I would have just drive down to Radisson Blue instead of coming all the way down. I feel bad. Like, I was still thinking about it. Like, oh my God, this event next week Thursday. I really look forward to it. Guess what? It was today. Anyway, I went to the market since I was supposed to go to Computer Village, but I was supposed to go to another market, but I was already, well, not so tired, but things I wanted to do there was not really so bish. So I didn't just want to drive all the way. So I just like, let me just go to market. So I went, got some stuff, and guys, this new Naira stuff is really crazy. Although all the cash with me, maybe like 3K, I was able to spend the old Naira. Then I had new Naira 1000, which is, I think it's still 500 left with me. But I had to do a lot of transfer, serious transfer. All the food stuff I had to get was to transfer, and it was really bad because it really wasted my time. I had to wait for them to get a lot. Gosh, it's not funny. And elections is coming. I'm just going to unbox what I got. I just said let me rest for a while, and then yeah. Good morning. Today is Friday and we are off to school. Right. Guys, a lot has been happening. Cash, it was really difficult getting cash. My mother-in-law called now this morning, like they're fighting in Mount 12. Sincerely, Miss God's grace and mercy for violence not to occur, and especially because it has to do with money. So please, we have exactly 8 days to election. I don't know if you can still get your PVC, but I think it's closed. But for us, we that have PVC, let's go out and vote. Credible leaders. It's very important, very key, very important. I'm on my way to drop his car off. I'll be right back. Just done with work now. And I'm trying to just unbox or rearrange some of the things that I got from the market yesterday. Guys, I bought coconut chips. And guess what? The carton. Ow. Just now. Because I was hungry like yesterday. Because some of the things I put in my mouth, like, the things you bought yesterday. I was just buying. Coconut chips. Actually, I've not bought pieces though. I don't heard one person saying I'm going to say 1.5 for a pack. I've not seen these coconut chips actually in a long time. But I'm not going to put it up wherever it's going to sit. So that it does not finish in 2 days. I just want to repack it and put it in a dark nylon so that people will not see it in this cup. Because I know that my husband is already eyeing this thing. I want to see what is inside. Oh, Jesus. So guys, I'm just trying to decide what to eat. All this is swallow, fantastic. You just got the lights. So I'm just going to microwave them. I'm going to have some fruits, some watermelon, pineapple, and banana. That's going to be my food for today. I have this leftover rice. Just so inside the freezer. So the good thing about meal prepping is it helps you to save a lot of time and everything. But the downside could be that, depending on how you label, I really need to maybe learn how to really label this my food. Maybe I have to get this paper tape so that I can label, because at times I will forget that I have some certain food. I have to deliberately, maybe weekends, to bring things out of the freezer and know what exactly is inside. So for example, this amala, I've had this amala for weeks. So
frozen like this. This is pork meat and gizzard. The gizzard is almost finished, but majorly pork meat. Part of the things I got ShopRite, this is soup. This is ogbono soup, head of fish. This is catfish pepper soup that I did not finish. I just packed it and put it in the freezer. It's been a while. I need to bring it out and chow it in food. So thank God it just got light. So I'll just microwave it for a very long time. Yo. So yesterday I tried to, I don't know, the noodles that I got that I cooked, it had leftover, so I kept it in freezer. By the time I brought it out, there was no light to use, so I tried to warm it on the cooker normal, but the taste, I did not feel the taste. And then I was just saying to myself, like, I don't blame people that don't really like food in the freezer. They like food fresh because the taste had changed. But my mother was like, maybe I should use microwave to warm it, because there's a way the microwave warms it totally and still retain the taste of the food. So hopefully with this stuff I want to do, it still retains the taste. If not, that's going to be the downside of prepping. Yeah. My hair looks like all washed, right? And products I use this mega growth. It helps to like soften the hair, leave-in strength now. I use this TCB Naturals. It's like, it has menthol inside. It gives that peppermint feel. Then lastly is coconut oil. I can't find I think the other initial container will be in the other room. But I just poured some coconut oil inside this. I like this bottle because I think it was argan oil that was inside. I just retained the bottle because I like this applicator. It helps to like put oil in the scalp, especially when I have braids on. So I'm off to make my hair. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, on our way to church this morning. Today's Saturday. On our way to church this morning. I cannot give you now. Traffic lights, we're late. It's supposed to be there for 7. This is 7:30. Hello people. So it's Saturday. So I'm back from church. Church was good. And then I drove back. I don't know why I used to forget to vlog. I passed another route to Gudu and it gave me a bit of issues, but at least we're able to navigate our way. So it's currently 10 now, and past 10 actually, and I'm on my way to Piscas, our next street here. We're having PTA meeting, our first official PTA meeting. For PTA meeting, they will also be doing oral health talk later. Me, I'm going as the parent. He is coming as consultant. So we are jellificating. Piscas, say I love Piscas here. Embrace. We promote an environmental consciousness from our practical life or into our experience. You know, when the talk comes up to you and says, "Oh, no, this is what I'm personally doing, this is how I'm feeling," just you, what you need to do is just to sit down and just redirect these feelings. Oh, this is always something. Like the features here. That's how it should. It's like a lucky mechanism. If everything was smooth, they won't be able to chew properly, the thing will be useless. But as they are what's this? Cat. Cat? What's this? Dog. Dog. What's this? Apple. Apple. What's this? Boat. Boat. What? Let's go to me. What's this? Elephant. Elephant. What's this? Baby shark. It's yes. Fish. 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 Let me see your face. Say fish. 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 What's this? Tata. Gate. Gate. What's this? Load. Art. Art for wearing. Wear your art. What's this? Is insect.
Insect.
What's this?
Water.
Juice.
Juice.
What's this?
What is
Lion.
lion?
Lion. What's this?
Ant.
Mouse.
Ant.
What's this?
Nothing.
Nest.
Glass.
What's this?
Pencil.
Pencil. Pencil. See pencil.
Pencil.
Pencil. What's this? Coin.
Good. Food.
What's this?
Food.
Rabbit.
Bite.
I'm trying to make my spare lamb. Smoked spare lamb. I still need to even make my Adebimpe,
Adebi.
Adeshewa,
Asiva.
Adeshewa,
Asiwa.
Serena,
Selma.
Serena,
Selma.
Mercy,
Bessie.
Mercy,
Messi.
Adana.
And then